Come on.
Look at me, I'm beautiful.
You keep talking.
Yes.
You keep talking.
You want to kill me?
Yeah, you're going to jail.
On March 5th, 2023, Orange County deputies conducted a traffic stop that escalated into a multi-felony arrest. The initial stop was based on window tint violations under Florida Statute 316.2953. Florida requires front windows to transmit more than 28% light. Deputies measured 13%, less than half the legal minimum.
Yeah, I got it. County Cops 14, copy 1050. Silver Star and Pine Hills, Florida tag Alpha Kilo 9 0 Kilo Yankee on the black Infinity with unknown. Hey, stay off the radio. Hey, Purple and Sarge, where you guys at? This guy looks like he might be, hold on.
Traffic STP. Location.
We'll get up to it. Where you at? I got him.
Hey, Burns, can you come over and bring this please back?
Hey, roll the windows down. Hey, windows. Windows. Yeah, I can't see. Huh? No. Pulling you over because you're a tent. You got a driver's license?
No, you gotta have to look at my name.
Do you have a handicap sticker?
No, you just follow me and scoop me instead of just pulling me over. My bad, let me record it.
No, step out. Step out. Turn around. Hey, no. Don't play that. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Hey.
I ain't even do nothing.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
You mad because I'm recording? Like, that's crazy. I ain't even do shit. You just pulled me over.
Hey, you're getting pulled over for this window tint.
For my tent, so why you restraining me like
Because
I'm
you're
in a car?
smells like weed in the car.
That ain't got shit to do with me. What the fuck? You just
Stop. Come on.
you get no pussy. You don't get no pussy.
Stop.
You don't get no pussy. You doing
Stop.
for tent.
Stop.
You don't get no pussy.
Stop.
It shows that you don't
Stop.
got you for a woman. I'm
You
a
sound
woman.
so ignorant
And
right
you
now,
ignorant as
and
fuck.
everyone's
Don't
looking
get
at
no
you.
pussy. Everybody
Congratulations.
see. Pull out your
Look
phone.
at you.
This fuck nigga just put me
Look
on
at you.
whatever reason.
Look
He
at
just gonna get my
everyone.
eyebrows done. Look at me. I'm
Look at
beautiful. Look
everyone.
at me. Hi, guys.
No one's
I'm a
helping
bad
you.
bitch. I don't give a fuck because nobody like you ass cracker. I'm literally coming
There
in
it
my
is.
eyebrows done. You put some motherfucking tent. Bitch, give me a ticket. You holding my arms and shit.
You're going to jail now.
Don't you fuck. That's not bond money, bitch.
Okay.
I'm going to jail for what?
Under Wern versus United States, any traffic violation justifies a lawful stop. Pennsylvania versus Mims authorizes ordering occupants from vehicles for officer safety. The deputy articulated probable cause: marijuana odor from the vehicle. The plain smell doctrine provides authority to search under the automobile exception. Carroll v. United States permits warrantless vehicle searches with probable cause. The subject's physical resistance added a resisting arrest charge.
I do what's up.
Yeah, I'm going to have to name it. Let me get this on camera.
I put the video in.
13 on the front. Yeah. 13 on the back.
I'm going to jail for what?
Hey, can you go off the
What? Y'all got me in handcuffs. How did I
You're going to jail.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Awesome.
You got to get no pussy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And you ain't getting me.
Oh, and weed.
You mad because you don't get no pussy, fuck nigga. Yeah.
Do a quick,
And you ain't getting permission, nigga.
Can you?
Bruh.
Where are you going?
You just pulling me somewhere. Somebody, please come record. They trying to get me off camera.
Yeah, just
Please come record. Please. Cause why y'all pulling me like this? I don't give a fuck. I ain't do
because you're
shit.
just
Hi. Hi. All right, Glenn.
You're just not
Do your fucking
complying.
job.
We are doing our job.
Hurry up. Take me to jail so I can find out, fuck nigga. Bubbles for your pussy ass kid.
There you go.
Pussy ass cracker.
Have a seat.
Showing your education.
Nigga.
Where's that at, Sarge?
See?
No, right on the seat.
Yeah, you're
Covered up right there. Open this damn door.
Perfect.
Open it up.
Yeah, I love it. Unbelievable.
Why?
Thank you for not reaching
Okay,
for this.
why would I reach for that? I'm not a fucking threat. I was just getting my eyebrows done. Why would I reach for that? You You
gotta conceal.
want to kill me?
You have a concealed
That's
weapons
not
permit.
mine. You want to kill
All
me?
right. Do you have a concealed weapons permit?
You want to kill me? That's not mine. That's not why I pointed at you. I'm not a
You have a
threat.
concealed weapons permit?
I'm a female. It's like 5 niggas. It's 5 cops. Do y'all want to get a quote that bad? Did y'all miss y'all fucking mark that bad? Oh, you're serious?
Criminal investigation on 1793.
She's gonna get everything. She's gonna get fucking tickets. She's gonna get a ticket per window. She's gonna go to jail for this gun. She's gonna go to jail for weed.
Hey, Corporal. She was gonna try to flee. She was doing this little circle, and then she just kind of like freaked out and pulled in here. But she was doing this ridiculous circle.
Tow the car. Well, she gets everything.
Hey, so Sarge, it was underneath this?
Yeah.
On the
Right up,
yeah.
right?
Concealed, but underneath.
Yeah.
Okay.
As soon as I moved it to the side.
Okay. Some weed right here too.
Yeah, it reeks like weed on that side.
Yeah.
That's why I told you to pull her out.
Yeah, I could smell it too. I thought you saw like I thought maybe you saw something I didn't see. But yeah, I could smell it.
No, I saw the bag and there's just like
Yeah.
reeked, and then there's like shake and crap all over.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can read better than that.
Where's the serial number?
Right in this little window.
457-74586. Yeah. That's it.
Bro, I don't know what these white things are, but they're literally everywhere. Corporal, what the heck do you think this is?
I don't really know. Let me see. This looks like.
I don't know if it's gum or like.
Where are you finding it?
I found a couple under the seat. I found one over there under the car seat. This one was in a book bag in the back.
That is weird. Hey, marshmallows. Did you squeeze them?
It might be.
Yeah, like a marshmallow, like a.
The ones that go in the hot chocolate or whatever?
Yeah, that's what that looks like.
It might be.
Hey, Vic, what's she saying her name is?
Janiyah Myers, JANIEHMYERS. I ain't got a lie. 26, July 2nd, 1996.
Tonight, relax.
Yeah. No, because he the one who brought it up for no reason.
Stop.
You don't understand.
Stop. You're playing the victim. It doesn't work. Stop. Stop. No one's helping you. No one. Everybody knows you're wrong. You're wrong. You got guns and drugs.
That's not mine.
Stop.
Okay, that's fine. Do it.
So this isn't yours?
Yes, it's mine.
It's in the same bag.
Yes, my bag.
Okay, stop.
You the ass nerd ain't gonna jump.
Florida Statute 843.02 criminalizes resisting officers without violence. Deputies discovered marijuana in plain view on the passenger seat. The plain view doctrine permits seizure of contraband in open observation. A concealed firearm was found, violating Florida Statute 790.01. Carrying a concealed weapon without a permit is a third-degree felony. The marijuana weighed over 20 grams, elevating the charge to felony level. Under Florida Statute 893.13, possession over 20 grams is a felony. Constructive possession requires proof of knowledge and control. As sole occupant, the subject had exclusive control over the vehicle. Contraband in plain view establishes knowledge under Florida law.
You feel like you're a bro. Bitch, not kill me.
Keep talking. You keep talking.
Yes.
You keep talking.
Add them charges.
You
fuck
keep
nigga.
talking.
Add them charges.
You keep going.
And you is too. So
You
when you
keep
stop, I
going.
will stop. Not take
You got
me
her
to
name.
jail.
You are going to jail.
Good job.
You're going to jail.
Not take me like a bar now. See?
You won't have
Just
fun.
go run her. Go run her. Go run her. You got nothing to say.
Did a birthday.
It's not a common name. Yeah, we're giving her a ticket for that.
Per window, handicap. She's getting everything.
Yeah, get a tow truck. Yeah, get a tow truck. Stop.
Yes, sir.
That chick is.
457.
She's wild.
Huh? Is that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Alright, cool. That's probably why she got pregnant. She kept dropping them under the seat.
You probably need to make sure she takes us with her to jail. It did kind of look like the like mini marshmallows of hot chocolate. It's hilarious. I'm coming up here to get my eyebrows done. This chick looked like a monster when she got angry. That was wild. She's wild.
Jesus Christ, why are you so loud? Why are you so loud?
The thing that I found the funniest was she's trying to get everybody hyped up, and everyone's just like,
I know, everybody's looking at her like, what is this crazy lady doing? Hold that for me real quick.
They weighed over, total over 20 grams.
You already weighed it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Perfect.
With the evidence bag, officers write the woman a series of tickets for her many infractions and continue to discuss her extreme behavior.
Every window, right?
Yeah. Oh. At least give her 4 of them.
You got spot too.
Handicap spot. She was crazy, dude. Oh yeah. You hear that?
Ooh, so nasty.
She is. She was way out of control. Yeah, that'll be a fun ride to the jail.
22, because her eyes just fucked up.
No, she's just a monster, dude. I don't even think she's single 20. I think she's just a monster.
Before taking her to jail, they find one more piece of evidence in the vehicle to add to the list, an open container of alcohol.
She's just a mad woman.
You're going to have fun going to the jail.
Sorry, where was that bottle? Is that alcohol? 20% alcohol.
As the woman's taken to jail, her attitude suddenly shifts.
We're towing your car.
That's fine. I know. I'll just get it out. I know how to do it. No more little money. So make me mad. I told her, take me to jail. Throw the away key. Somebody smell like wet dog in here.
Must be you.
No, it's you. Y'all always smell like that dog wet. You can get one lap around the car, you smell like wet dog. That shit's sad.
There's no air vent between me and you, so it's that. It must be you. It must be you. You know there's no air vent between me and you? You know that, right?
You smell me. I smell like that.
I'm not gonna smell you. What? You're weird. That's weird. Come smell you? That is odd. Come on.
Graham versus Connor requires force to be objectively reasonable. Deputies used minimal force despite extreme verbal provocation. The First Amendment protects recording police in public spaces. Deputies did not interfere with recording, respecting constitutional rights. However, the right to record does not permit physical resistance to arrest. Deputies maintained professional composure throughout the encounter. De-escalation training emphasizes not responding to verbal abuse. All evidence was systematically documented with proper chain of custody. Additional violations included handicap, parking, and open container. The deputies receive a grade of B+ for legal compliance. Minor tactical improvements in vehicle approach could enhance safety. The subject receives a grade of F for catastrophic legal choices. Possessing contraband while committing traffic violations invited scrutiny. Physical resistance added criminal charges to an already serious case. Verbal abuse created unsympathetic evidence while accomplishing nothing legally. The right to remain silent is often the smartest choice during arrest. Key Lesson 1. Minor violations can uncover major crimes. Key Lesson 2. Probable cause gives police broad search authority. Key Lesson 3. Resistance escalates charges and strengthens prosecution. Key Lesson 4. Verbal abuse creates evidence, not legal defense. Key Lesson 5. Professional composure reflects quality training. This case demonstrates how law enforcement authority functions within limits. Constitutional protections apply, but lawful orders must be obeyed. Smart legal choices preserve rights while avoiding additional charges. Understanding the law helps citizens navigate police encounters safely. Let us know what legal topics you'd like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Check out our second channel, Street Law, for more content. Until next time, stay informed and know your rights.